Hello, Ellen Rhodes here, and today, as you can probably tell from my outfit, which I got at the free Star Rider store, I'm gonna be doing dressage, and I've been only working with Onyx Magic. All these times I did cross country and jumping, and that's because we are actually working up to do a 3-day event show, which is jumping, dressage, and cross country. And yeah, we've been working up, and I'm gonna ride Onyx Magic. And yeah, so today we're gonna be doing some dressage, and I've just got to get my stuff out of my backpack, starting out with the saddle and the saddle pad. And I would suggest always putting on your bridle first, because then you can control your horse. But I put on the saddle first, just because I know he won't spook. And then we gotta walk around and put on his ribbon. There we go. Now we're gonna pet him because he did a good boy. And then we're gonna put on some nice dressage boots. I don't really have any dressage boots. I need to buy some, but for now I just have these blue ones, which I really like because they match my outfit, or a lot of my outfit. Actually, whoops, I put on the wrong bridle. Let me fix that. There we go. There's my dressage bridle. And I need a dressage saddle because I need to be level 13 to get a dressage saddle. To get my dressage saddle, or the one that I want. So yeah, we're just gonna head over there. I'm riding him out of his stall because, like, it costs money to pay for the whole leading your horse thing. So yeah, I'm not doing it. So yes, I'm heading to the riding arena, and we're just gonna do some simple stuff, the stuff that I know. The 3-day eventing class, like, they have for each event, they have a different level. So for my show jumping and cross country, it was the hardest level that I asked, because you have to have a tryout a long time before you do the actual show. And I did my tryout, and for dressage, I got put into the not the expert one, because I don't know that much dressage, but the intermediate one. And for the jumping and for the cross country, I was put into the expert, because I'm really good at those. So yeah, I've just actually been working on my outfit. I'll stop here. Easy. I need to work on my halt too, especially for, like, shows that are just run. But I got these new jumping boots because they're better than the Lucky's Mom's boots, in my opinion. Because, like, the Lucky's Mom's riding boots, they give +1 jumping, +1 command, and +1 carrying. But these ones give +4 riding and +4 jumping. And yeah, so those are my dressage boots, and then the Lucky's Mom boots are my Western boots, or my everyday riding boots. But I think they're just going to become my dressage boots, because yeah. So I actually did not take the trailer, and that's because I'm saving up. I need to really update a lot of my clothes and get rid of some stuff in my backpack. Like, I might just choose out of all of my boots which ones are my favorite, because I think some of them, like the cozy winter leg wraps, I might keep, but then there's ones like just the leg wraps, I don't really like them. And then the winter rider leg wraps, I just don't really like some of those. So yes, I might, like, put some of those in the closet. I will never sell any of this stuff because most of it you can't really sell it for anything except for like the stuff that I got from the free store, the stuff that you just kind of, it's free for Star Riders. I don't want to sell it because it won't give me any money back. Wait, is it? Oh, it's Monday. Cool. Yes, so we're heading to the indoor arena and we're next to this person and I'm not going to friend them because I have too many friends in the game. Yeah, some popular people. Popular. You gotta have a lot of friends, because if you don't have a lot of friends, you're gonna be lonely. Wait, what am I doing? Right, show other wild horses. Just, I like to put that on so that I can see if other people are wild horses. Aw, they're having like, that's sad. There's just one of them that's kind of just sitting there. Hey, they don't have a club. Cool. I don't care. I'm not inviting them to a club because I don't have a club. So yeah, it's time for seriousness. We're gonna do dressage. So I don't warm up when I'm doing dressage because like you're not full galloping. You're going at a trot or a canter. So we're gonna do a canter set and go. Also, it's really important for me to practice the whole responding to commands very quickly, especially when there's like flat shows, which I love. If you're on Star Stable and you ever get bored and you're a Star Rider, just host a show, people. It's really fun and I love it. But that's one of the reasons why I've been getting really serious and updating my wardrobe. Whoa. Okay, so we got a little bit of a bump here, but I was going to do a diagonal anyways, so I just kind of continued. And if I was doing this with a group, I would just kind of go to faster gait and catch up to where my spot was. So yeah, as you can see, I already have the nice bridle. I gotta make that turn tighter. So yeah, as you can see, I'm horrible at dressage and I'm probably gonna fail in this show, but who cares? Yeah, it's gonna be about 3, maybe 2 weeks till the show at max, so that we have some time, me and Onyx Magic have time to practice. And yeah, now I'm gonna do a cut at the mid. So the mid is where the number is. That's how I remember it when I'm doing it cut at mid. When it's cut at mid lengthwise, not widthwise. And then we're gonna do right at wall. And then we're gonna do a curl. We're going to do a triple curl. So yeah, the people who are going to be judging me when I do the show, I'm practicing all these different things because they could ask me to do anything. They could ask me to do something I don't even know. So I'm practicing all these things to get Onyx Magic used to what they could ask. And then we're going to go keyhole at mid, and I'll show you what a keyhole is. I actually learned that last night. Keyhole. I'm pretty sure this is a keyhole. If I'm doing this wrong, comments down below, people. So yeah, I really love this dressage this dressage tack they gave me, the free store gave me. Turn left at wall. And I don't exactly know anything else. Alright, we're gonna do a triple curl, go. Triple curl is really hard because you have to do it 3 times. and you gotta make sure you don't hit the wall. And I really have been noticing that I love Onyx Magic's moves. He really seems quite smooth. He's not my smoothest horse. My smoothest horse is Wish Brother, but a smooth horse is not necessarily the best horse, because if a horse is smooth, they're not really that fast. But Onyx Magic, it's like he's got a perfect cross, and then diagonal, but then we're gonna do a circle at half, I think you would call it. Yeah, half. Circle at half. This is another thing I only learned yesterday, the circle. But if I was in an arena in real life and somebody told me do a circle, I would get it. Circle at half or circle at mid, whatever you say, I would get it because it's quite an easy thing to get. So yeah, I think Onyx Magic is really getting on my leg in this. So now we're gonna do end to E. I think that's how you would say it. I don't really know. And then we're gonna do a turn right and exit. So yeah, I think that's all. Now we're gonna head back to the barn. Oh right, I should do a halt. Actually, don't exit. We're gonna do a cut at mid. That was like they would tell me, and then halt at half. There we go. And now we're gonna go rear set, go. The thing that I don't like is when they tell you to do something like a bow set, and then trot set and exit. Actually canter set because it's faster. So yeah, Rose Epithon and Layla and some other people, you placed our stable, so like tell me if, like, correct me, by the way. I won't get mad if you correct me. I like it when people correct me. And exit, by the way. So yeah, we're gonna halt at the exit and then we're gonna gallop home. I really hope that you like this, and if you play Star Stable and you don't like doing dressage, or you just don't ever do it because you don't know any dressage, like, I think you should definitely try it. It's really fun. I'm just gonna kind of gallop home. Actually, I'm gonna call for pickup. So yeah, this video will end on a cliffhanger because I just clicked something which made the screen a lot bigger, as you probably saw. So yeah, sorry. So yeah, we're just gonna come on into my stable, and something ridiculous about Star Stable is you have to pay to teach your horse how to be led. Like, you learn how to lead your horse, and it costs like 1,035 star coins. Sorry, not 1,000. If it was 1,000, I would never buy it, cause like, oh, okay. So we're gonna take off his tack, but while we do that, I'm gonna tell you, I decided, I'm so sorry, you're gonna have to wait on that special video that I told you guys I was gonna do, that I'm gonna buy a pony, because I'm not gonna buy the Yorvik starter pony. I'm gonna go on right ahead and right away buy the horse that I really want, that's in Mistfall, that I showed you guys a while ago. Because I only want one pony, and her name's gonna be Jade something. I'll probably be like, do the random option. Her first name's gonna be Jade, and now I gotta rinse my, not wash my horse, I gotta brush him and groom his feet, because I'm a good horse owner, and I actually did some nice fun math. And And it's gonna take over a year to get all of my horses on my wish list.